Not only is he worrying about which position they're in, he's trying to get his best fielders in where he thinks the hot spots are going to be. Fielders in yellow running everywhere. Bananas belting it all around the field. Might take a while, folks.
Right.
So happy to have CSL back in Pakistan where it belongs. Fans have come out in their thousands to support their heroes from home and away. By and large, they've been treated with some incredible cricket, some absolutely magnificent stuff. Another one at long on, another one at long on. Single and quick delivery. This is a really good over for Carlos Brackway. Shuffle. Where's it going? One ball, isn't it? One ball and you win the game. Such is the power and skill of the modern batsman. You wouldn't bet against one of them doing it. Carlos Brackway again has got to outthink Sanford's help. Stuck with pretty much the same field as he had for David Beeser. Yeah, exactly the same. Is he going to go for the same delivery? Next up, Yorker. Oh! And a miss. What a bluff. That's an incredible bluff from Carlos Brackway. Slow ball into the pitch, wide of off stump. Sammy Patel was setting himself for something full and in at leg stump. Oh, mate, what an over this is. He's just one step ahead every ball, but he still has David Beeser in range. One stroke. 5 required from 2. If there are super over on the card.
Yo.